How to clear ChatGPT memory. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear ChatGPT memory. In order to clear ChatGPT's memory, you will need to first open your ChatGPT application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to tap on the two bars at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to access this sidebar. Here at the bottom left, you'll be able to see your profile name. Simply tap on it and then you'll be taken to this page. Once you reach to this settings page, now you will need to tap on the personalization option. Simply tap on it and here you'll be able to see the option memory. Simply tap on it and now in this page you'll be able to see manage memory option. Simply tap on this option and from here you'll be able to see the memory that is remembered or saved in ChatGPT. From here now you can delete the individual memories or you may also clear all the stored information to reset the memory usage. Currently, I do not have any memory in my ChatGPT account. If you have yours, you can simply delete it by selecting it. And after that, you'll be able to clear the memory. So this is how you can clear ChatGPT memory. Alternatively, you may also directly ask ChatGPT to forget something if you suspect your ChatGPT knows something about yourself. For that, you can come back to the home page and here in the text box, here enter forget memory and then tap on the arrow icon to send it. Wait for a few seconds and then you will see your memory has been cleared or updated. So this is how you can clear ChatGPT's memory. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.